Within the first 30 days of launching this Facebook ads campaign, we generated 26 exclusive and pre-qualified standby generator leads at a cost per lead of $57 with a total ad spend of $1,500, which generated $114,000 in total in-home estimate value. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how our lead generation funnel works, from the offer to the ads and to the backend system that makes it all run seamlessly. Now, our lead generation funnel starts with the offer, because the biggest factor of a successful ad campaign, number one, is your offer, and number two is the ad creatives. So for our offer, we like to use a price first strategy. Means we're going to have some sort of a pricing in the ads, because this is going to pre-qualify the leads in terms of the budget, and you're going to be dealing with better prospects. So either your starting ad prices or your financing prices. And then for this offer, it's very simple and clear. Starting at $9,700 installed or $67 a month. Plus next 5 installs this month get over $2,000 in free bonuses, which is 2 years of free maintenance, free surge protector, free priority scheduling, and the most important thing is going to be our guarantee here, which is the never left in the dark guarantee. If your generator doesn't perform, we'll fix it or refund you. And yeah, so yeah, straight to the point, and that's for the offer itself. Now for the ad creatives. So when it comes to ad creatives, sometimes you go with the video ads or image ads. For this clients, we decided to go with image ads, and now we're split testing 6-7 different ad creatives here, and we'll let Facebook run it and decide the winner based on market feedback, obviously. Now, once we come up with the offer and we have the ads created, then we're going to run meta ads to the offer, which is going to be Facebook and Instagram, and we're going to be targeting homeowners who are interested in generators. And obviously the ads are going to be hyper local, so we're targeting whatever, either by zip code, city, radius. We can target wherever you want. And once people see the ads, we're going to have a call to action. We're going to be like get quote. They're going to click on it, and then we're going to take them through 4 to 6 pre-qualification question. Now, question number 1, are you a homeowner? What type of energy sources does your home have? What would you like your generator to power during an outage? What's your main reason for wanting a standby generator? And how soon are you looking to have your generator installed? ASAP, within 30 days, 1 to 3 months, just searching number. Now, we have logic on the form itself, so if you don't want to deal with people who are just searching and are not sure, we can just disqualify them and only send you the leads who are either ASAP, within 30 days, or within 1 to 3 months. And right after that, we're going to ask them full name, email, phone number, and city. Now, before submitting, they have to verify their phone number by entering a text code that's going to be sent to them. And this is going to eliminate fake leads and is going to boost lead quality. Now, after they verify their phone number, we're going to count them as a pre-qualified lead. Our end clients are going to receive an immediate SMS and email notification of the lead, where they can call the lead and book that in-home estimate. So this is going to be all the answers to the question on the form: name, email, phone number, if they're homeowners, energy source, power needs, main reason for wanting the generator, and just all the questions on the form. And at the same time, right, like within seconds after that, our system, we have a call trigger feature, which is it's going to call your front desk and it's going to call the lead and it's going to bridge the call, which is going to ensure that you're getting on a call with these leads in less than 2 minutes. So say somebody fills out the form at 10 a.m. By 10:02, you're on the phone with them setting that appointment. After that, you show up, give the estimate, and then close. And for the leads who the bad leads who are unverified, they're just going to go down the trash. Our end clients are never even going to see them. So to recap, we spent $1,500 in ad spend, generated 26 exclusive leads, $57 per lead, and obviously a pipeline full of high-ticket generator installs with $114,000 in estimates sent out already. Now, if you're a electrical contractor or home service company that wants this exact funnel built for you, I'm going to leave a link down in the description of this video. You can book a call with me or somebody on the team. We'll go over a 10-15 minute phone call, see where you're at, where you're trying to go, and have this system up and running for you within 48 to 72 hours. And yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching the video and have a nice day.